So I'm real excited about my video today. I've been bringing you guys a lot of clips on, my fix-up of my trailer and my motorcycles, and I'd really like to show you a little bit about how my family enjoys those things. So I went ahead and invested in an action camera. After a little bit of research on the internet, I found this Akaso V50 Pro camera, and this looks like by far the best bang for the buck. It's $101 on Amazon, and really looks like it's packed with a lot of features and a lot of accessories in the package here. So today this isn't a review or anything, but just basically unboxing to see what you get, and I'll show you how I'm going to mount it to my helmet so I can get video of my kids riding the trails when we go out riding. So let's open her up and see what it looks like. As you can see, you get quite a few items here with the camera, and let's step through them one by one. First of all, you get a camera, nice looking camera, comes in already packed in the waterproof case. Let's see. Yeah, I'll have to see how to open that up a little bit later. This is the camera mount. USB cord for charging, USB to micro USB, battery, spare battery, charger, handlebar mount, this is the remote control wristwatch, actually pretty nice quality, better than I thought it would be. This is the short straight adapter. Yeah, I believe this is the swivel mount. I believe this is the long 90-degree mount. This is the short 90-degree mount. Some extra stickers, cloth, tether. Here, I'll open it up. Just a few zip ties. Got lots of those. This is a tether mount in case it comes loose. Hook that on so it doesn't fall on the ground. Lens cloth. A couple extra stickers. Some Velcro. And I believe these are the helmet straps for a helmet mount. I don't believe I'm going to use this, but they come with it. And base plate with a sticker mount. Again, a second base plate, sticker mount. Second waterproof cover for the back of the camera, replacement waterproof cover. Again, looks like another mount to be used with the base plate. Clicks in there like that for mounting the camera. So like I said, you get quite a bit of stuff here. You get all in the frame with the camera. For an inexpensive camera, it looks like you get a lot of different stuff. So we'll take a look at the helmet and see how we're going to attach this to the helmet. Alright, so I'm going to attach this Akaso V50 Pro to this old fly helmet, and I'm convinced you get the best film footage from a chin mount, so I'm going to go ahead and try and attach it to the chin here. I had this mouthpiece that I removed. I just kind of broke the plastic, came off, but this kind of gave me a nice flattish surface to mount the camera to. And I kind of went through all these different base plates and attachments to figure out how I wanted to mount this, and I really couldn't find anything that I liked. And then all of a sudden I looked and said, oh, look at there, on the box is a piece of plastic with a mount on it. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this off, cut it down to fit the mouthpiece here, and we'll glue it right on there. So I've cut this down to fit the opening. I like it. So now we're just going to use some of this JB weld for plastic. Should bond it up really nice and strong and be a really secure mount. I'll have the links for all these items down in the bottom in the description box. So if you guys want to pick some of this stuff up, just hit one of those links and you'll get it. Alright, so the plate's all bonded on there, nice and solid. Drill a couple holes in there for airflow. Probably add more if I wanted to, but I think that's good for now. And then my camera, I just slide right on there. Clips in place. Tucks it up really tight to the helmet, really secure. Can adjust my angle of view with ease. Camera's tucked down away from my view. I can still see the screen, so I can tell whether it's on or not. Really, I think it's a really solid mount and not something I'm gonna have to worry about falling off. And I'm really happy with it. Hope you guys learned something from this, see how I did it. If you found it useful, hit a like on this video and go ahead and subscribe. I could use your help if you subscribe. And I can keep producing these videos for you on how I do these DIY projects or DIY projects. We'll talk to you later, and God bless.